बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1 के फर्स्ट और सेकेंड के क्वेश्चन को समझे थे। आइए समझते हैं। लेट अस सी हाउ टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। फ्रॉम द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन बिलो फाइंड which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. Now here distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3 are given. Now look here, distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, distance QR is equal to 3. It is given. Now look here, which one is largest here? 10 is largest number, therefore simply add other two distance, means 7 and 3. Therefore distance between PR plus distance between QR is equal to 7 plus 3. Therefore distance between PR plus distance between QR is equal to 10. Now look here, distance between PQ, it is also same, means which is equal to 10. Therefore we can write here, give it equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, in both the equations right hand sides are same. Therefore we can write here, distance between PR plus distance between QR is equal to distance between PQ. Both are same. Okay. Therefore we can write here, points P, R and Q are collinear and point R lies between points P and Q. पॉइंट P और Q के दरमियान पॉइंट R है. ओके, therefore that is we can write here P R Q. These are collinear. Now next question. Solution given here, distance between RS is equal to 8, distance between ST is equal to 6 and distance between RT is equal to 4. It is given, write down here. Now look here, distance 8, 6 and 4. Now here larger is 8, therefore simply add other two distances. Therefore distance between points ST plus distance between points RT is equal to 6 plus 4. Therefore write down here, distance between ST plus distance between RT is equal to 10. And what is given here, distance between RS, distance between points RS is equal to 8. Now give it equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, look here, right hand sides are not equal. Here the value is 10 and here the value is 8. Therefore distance between points ST plus distance between points RT is not equal to distance between RS. ये इक्वल नहीं है, ये दोनों की सम की है तो हमें 10 मिलेगा और यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस दिया गया है 8, मीन्स 10 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 8. ओके, देयरफॉर पॉइंट्स R, S and T are not collinear. Okay, now look here, third question. Distance between AB is equal to 16, distance between CA is equal to 9 and distance between BC is equal to 7. Write down the solution here. Distance between AP is equal to 16, distance between CA is equal to 9 and distance between BC is equal to 7. It is given. Okay, write down here, given. Now look here, distance is 16, 9, 7. ये तीनों डिस्टेंस में बड़ा डिस्टेंस जो दिया गया है वो है 16, तो इसे छोड़ के बाकी डिस्टेंस की हम एडिशन करेंगे. देयरफॉर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन CA प्लस डिस्टेंस बिटवीन BC is equal to 9 plus 7. Okay, therefore distance between CA is equal to distance between CA plus distance between BC is equal to 16 and distance between points A and B, it is also 16. Write down here, distance between AB is equal to 16. Now give it equation number 1, here it is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, now right hand sides are equal, therefore write down here, distance between C comma A plus distance between points B, C is equal to distance between points A, B. Both are equal. Here also 16, here it is also 16. Therefore, write down here, points, look here, CA plus BC, here C is repeated, C यहाँ पे कॉमन है, दोनों जगह है, तो हम पॉइंट्स लिखेंगे A, C, B. Okay, therefore write down here, points A, C, B are collinear. Points C, it is equal to distance between A, B. Distance between points A, B. Therefore, point C lies between points A and B. Write down here, point C lies between points A and B. That is, we can write here A, C, B. Now next question is, distance between points LM is equal to 11 mn is equal to 12 and nl is equal to 8. Write down here. Distance between points LM is equal to 11. Distance between points MN is equal to 12 and distance between points NL is equal to 8. It is given. Write down here. Given. Okay. Now look here. 11, 12 and 8. Now 12 is largest number, largest distance. Therefore add other two distance. Okay. Therefore write down here. Distance between LM plus distance between NL is equal to 11 plus 8. Therefore, distance between LM plus distance between NL is equal to 19 and distance between MN which is equal to 12. Now give it equation number 1 and here it is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, now look here, right hand sides are not equal. Therefore we can write here left hand side distance between LM plus distance between NL is not equal to distance between MN. Okay. Therefore write down here points L, M and N are not collinear. Now next question. Distance between xy is equal to 15, distance between yz is equal to 7 and distance between xz is equal to 8. Write down the solution here. Distance between xy is equal to 15, distance between yz is equal to 7 and distance between xz is equal to 8. It is given. Okay. Now look here, distances are 15, 7 and 8. Now here the largest distance is 15, therefore adding other two distance. Therefore write down here distance between points yz plus distance between points xz which is equal to 7 plus 8. Okay. Now look here, distance between yz plus distance between xz is equal to 7 plus 8 means 15 and look here, distance between x, y, it is also 15. Now give it equation number 1, here equation number 2. Now write down here. From equation 1 and 2, right hand side is equal, therefore their left hand side is also equal. Therefore write down here distance between yz plus distance between xz is equal to distance between xy. Okay. Now look here, both addition of these two is equal to distance between points x and y. Therefore write down here points x, y, z. Now look here, y, z, here x, z. Now z is common and here it is distance x, y. Now therefore z is in between points x and y. Therefore write down here points x, z, y are collinear. Means point Z lies between points X and Y. Okay, therefore it can be written as XZY or YZX. Therefore XZY or YZX. Okay, both are equal, both are same. Now next question, write down here solution. Distance between points DE is equal to 5. Distance between points EF is equal to 8. And distance between points DF is equal to 6. It is given. Write down here given. Okay. Now 5, 8, 6. The largest number is 8 here. Therefore, simply add other two distances. Write down here. Distance between points DE is equal to distance between points DE plus distance between points DF is equal to 5 plus 6. Therefore, distance between points DE plus distance between points DF is equal to 5 plus 6, 11. Okay, and it is given distance between points EF is equal to 8. Now give it equation number 1 and here it is equation number 2. Now from, write down here equation 1 and equation 2. Both are different values. Here 11 and here it is 8. Therefore, write down here distance between points DE plus distance between points DF is not equal to distance between point EF. Okay. Therefore, write down here points D, E, F are not collinear. Now, next question. On a number line, points A, B, C are such that distance between points AC is equal to 10, distance between points CB is equal to 8. Find distance between points AB considering all possibilities. Now look here, what is given? Distance between points AC is equal to 10 and distance between points CB is equal to 8. It is given. Write down here. Now look here, considering all possibilities. Therefore, first possibility, B lies between A and C. Okay. Therefore, look here, points A, B, C. Now here BC is equal to 8 and AC is equal to 10. It is 10. Now possibility 1, B lies point B lies between A and C, that is A, B, C. Distance between points AB plus AB plus BC. Distance between points BC is equal to distance between points A and C. A, B, C, collinear points. Therefore, now look here, distance between AB plus distance between BC, it is given, which is equal to 8. Therefore, write down here 8. BC इसका डिस्टेंस 8 दिया गया है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर 8 लिख लेंगे. इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बिटवीन AC. AC का डिस्टेंस है 10. Therefore, distance between points A, B is equal to 10 minus 8, which is equal to 2. Therefore, distance between points A, B is equal to 2. When point B lies between points A and C, distance between points A, B is equal to 2. It is possibility 1. Okay, now next possibility 2. Second possibility, ACB. Distance between AC is 10 and distance between BC is 8. It is given. Okay, now look here. In this possibility, point C lies between A and B. Therefore, write down here point C lies between A and B, that is A, C, B, collinear points A, C, B. Okay, therefore write down here distance between AC plus distance between CB is equal to distance between AB. Therefore, distance between AC plus distance between CB is equal to distance between AB. Now substituting all the given values, AC means 10 plus BC means 8 is equal to distance between AB. Therefore, distance between points A, B is equal to 18. Therefore, write down here, when C lies between points A and B, then distance AB is equal to 18. Therefore, look here, अगर पॉइंट बी ए सी के बिटवीन में होगा तो डिस्टेंस ए बी हमें 2 मिलता है. ओके, सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी में अगर पॉइंट सी ए बी के बीच में होगा, इनके दरमियान होगा, तो इसमें हमें डिस्टेंस ए बी मिलेगा 8. तो डिस्टेंस ए बी, दो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है. डिस्टेंस ए बी की वैल्यू हमें 2 मिल रही है. देयरफॉर राइट डाउन हियर डिस्टेंस ए बी is equal to 18 और distance AB is equal to 2. या तो 18 होगा या फिर 2 होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज points x, y, z are collinear such that distance between points x, y is equal to 17, distance between points y, z is equal to 8. Find distance between points x, z. Now look here, write down the solution. distance between points x, y is equal to 17 and distance between points y, z is equal to 8. It is given. Now here again there are two possibilities. Here points, it is also given points x, y, z are collinear. Points x, y, z are collinear. Okay. Now here there are two possibilities. Write down here. Possibility 1. Now if we draw a diagram, points x, y and z. Okay. Now here point y is in between points x and z. Now given values x, y, the value of x, y is 17 and value of y, z which is equal to 8. Therefore write down here distance between x, y plus y, z is equal to distance between x, z, because these are collinear points x, y, z. Okay. Now here point y lies between points x and z. Write down here point y lies between x and z, means that is x, y, z are collinear points. इस बिना पे हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है डिस्टेंस एक्स वाई प्लस डिस्टेंस वाई जेड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस एक्स जेड. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यूज, distance xy is equal to 17 plus distance yz is equal to 8, which is equal to distance between points xz. Now solve it. We get distance between points xz is equal to 25. Okay. Now second possibility. Now in this possibility, point Z is in between x and y. X, Z, y. Now the value of x, y is 17. Look here. The value of x, y is 17 here. And the value of distance between y, z, which is equal to 8. Now here in this diagram, point z lies between points x and y. जो पॉइंट z है वो x और y के दरमियान है. ओके, मीन्स डेट इज x, z, y collinear points. Therefore write down here. We can write here distance between points x, z plus z, y is equal to distance between x, y. Therefore write down here distance between points x, z plus z, y. Distance between points z, y, which is equal to distance between points x, y. Now substituting the given values, x, z, distance between points x, z plus distance z, y or y, z, which is equal to 8 is equal to distance x, y means 17. Therefore distance between points x, z is equal to 17 minus 8. Therefore distance between points x, z is equal to Now 17 minus 8 means 9. Now look here. In the first possibility we get the answer, the distance between x at 25, and here we get the answer 9. Therefore distance between points xz is equal to 25, or distance between points xz is equal to 9. Now next question is, sketch proper figure and write the answers to the following questions. First, points ABC collinear and length AC is equal to 11, length BC is equal to 6.5. Then find length of AB. Now look here. If we draw a figure, ABC, points ABC are collinear points. Now AC is equal to 11. The value of AC is this. It is 11. Length of BC 6.5 means this one. The value of BC is 6.5. Our aim is to find the value of length AB, means distance between points A and B. Write down here. Length AC is equal to 11 and length BC is equal to 6.5. It is given. Therefore, length AB plus length BC is equal to length AC. Write down here. Therefore, length AB plus length BC is equal to length AC. Reason is these are collinear, means A points A, B, C are collinear. Okay. Now substituting the values we get here. Length AB plus length BC means 6.5 is equal to length AC means 11. Therefore, length AB is equal to 11 minus 6.5. Therefore, length AB is equal to 4.5. Here subtract 6.5 from 11. We get 4.5. Therefore, write down the answer here. Length AB is equal to 4.5. Now second question. If RST and length ST, first draw a figure. RST, collinear points. Okay, write down here RST, in which length ST is equal to 3.7. It is given here 3.7. RS 2.5 means this one. It is 2.5. Our aim is to find the value of RT. हमें RT की वैल्यू यहाँ पर find out करना है. Okay. Now write down the solution here. Length ST is equal to 3.7 and length RS is equal to 2.5. These are given. Now look here. Length RS plus length ST is equal to length RT. Write down here. Write down here. Therefore, length RS plus length ST is equal to length RT. Collinear points means RST. Okay. Now substituting the values, we get length RS means 2.5 plus length ST means 3.7, which is equal to length RT. Okay. Now therefore 2.5 plus 3.7. Now adding these two numbers we get 6.2. Therefore write down here length RT is equal to 6.2. Therefore write down the answer here. Length RT is equal to 6.2. Now next question, third one. If xyz collinear and length xz is equal to 3 root 7, length xy is equal to 7 square root of 7, then find length yz. X, Y, Z. Length xy, which is equal to root 7. Length xz means this one. 3 root 7. Write down the solution here. Length xz is equal to 3 square root of 7. Length xy is equal to square root of 7. It is given. Now look here. Length xy plus length yz is equal to length xz. Therefore write down length xy plus length yz is equal to length xz. Okay. Now substituting the values, we get length xy square root of 7 plus length yz is equal to length xz means 3 square root of 7. Therefore length yz is equal to 3 square root of 7 minus square root of 7. Now both are solved here. Therefore subtract 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7. We get length of yz is equal to 2 root 7. Therefore it is the answer. Write down the answer here. Therefore length of yz is equal to 2 root 7. Now next question is, which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? 3 non-collinear points से कौन सी फिगर बनती है? Now we know that a triangle is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Write down here. A triangle is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Allah Hafiz.